Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Aixa, and today we are going to be opening up the Jeffree Star Winter Mystery boxes. There were 4 boxes this year. This winter that passed. Not passed. There's 4 boxes, okay? This winter. And I was only able to get my hand on 3 because the 4th one was sold out. So I was able to get the mini, which is $25. The premium, which is $65, and then the deluxe, which is $120. I think that's the order it goes in, something like that. Yeah, but I was not able to get the Supreme. I think that's what it's called, the Supreme. Yes, this took forever to ship out. Like, it took about 2 weeks to actually ship, 2 to 3 weeks. I recently got it, probably like 2 days ago. I got it in the mail. I ordered it when it launched, which was December 11th. I do believe that there is the mini still and certain sizes for the deluxe. The premium and the Supremes, all sizes are sold out, but the deluxe is still in stock. But I think it's only for smalls and mediums. I'm not sure, but I do. Last time I checked, it was still some in stock for the mini, and then some sizes for this the deluxe if you guys do want to get it yourself. But let's open up these boxes and see what's inside. I'm really excited. I have not watched anything. I have not got any spoilers. I haven't done anything. I've been trying to keep it a secret and like really not know anything that's in these boxes. So I got my scissors, and let's start with the $25 box. How does this? Oh, got it. Oh, it looks so cute. I love like the white and blue, baby bluish paper to go with the box. I think it's really, really cute. I love the snowflakes that are on the boxes. Okay. I don't remember how many items came in each box, so we're going to learn everything as we go. Like I said, I did not look into anything. I just purchased the stuff. I didn't want anything to like spoil. So, let's see. Ooh. So it comes with 3 items. 3 items? There's 3 items, so let's just push this aside. So the first item we have is the gloss, an Iridescent Throne, which is from the Bloodlust collection. I believe I own this one. Let me just double check. Okay, so I don't think I have it. I have Lord Star, but I do not have Iridescent Throne, so we can add this to my collection. Let's open this up. Oh yeah, this one's really pretty. Let me just throw the trash in there. This one's really nice, really pretty. Let's just put this on the back of my hand. Probably won't show up. Oh, that purple hue is really pretty. It does have like a blue undertone as well. I don't know if the camera is picking up on it. Oh goodness. But it has like a blue undertone hue effect as well. So we have that. We have, oh goodness, we have the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Jeffree What the F, which I actually own in the actual packaging case thing. So I'm probably gonna give this away to somebody. And then I also have the Velour Lip Scrub in Diet Root Beer, which I also own. I also own this one, so I'm probably gonna give the root beer, the extra one, away. This one I haven't really used yet. Just dip a little bit. I did a little bit, but not a lot. And it literally just smells like root beer. So I'm gonna give both of these away to someone, since I do own them. Let me just take this off on the back of my hand. So that was inside of the $25 box, which I think is a pretty good deal because the liquid lipsticks I think are $18, the lip gloss is like $18, so that's more than $25. That's like what, $36 already. And then this, I'm not sure how much this costs. I forgot. I don't remember honestly, but that's a good value. I'm gonna give these 2 away, but that's fine. This one I'm definitely keeping, so I'm gonna throw this in my drawer right now. If you heard that bang, that was me throwing it in my drawer. So let's close that back up. And let's put this to the side. And let's move on to the Deluxe. No, Premium. I don't know. I think this is the Premium. This one is $65. Hopefully I didn't mix them up and this is not the other box, if that makes sense. I think this is the 65 one and then this is the bigger. I don't know. We're gonna find out when I open it, because the other, the mini, which is 25 to 60 or the 65, I don't remember these prices anymore now. Those didn't come with clothing. The other, the Deluxe, oh my gosh, I can't gather my thoughts and cut at the same time. That one and the Supreme did come with clothing, but I wasn't able to get the other one, unfortunately. Like I said, only one. So I only have one that has an article of clothing in it, and I got it in a large because I like to be comfy. Okay, so let's open this up. Goodness, I'm struggling. All right, got it. Whew. Ah, it has the green paper. It hit me in my mouth. Oh, that was funny. Look, you can see the lip oil on the corners, like a little pink stain on there now. Okay, let's move on. Oh, oh wait. Oh wait. It's a hat. A little white hat with a little pink fluff. Okay, so this, I don't think this is the clothing one then, obviously. Oh, this is a big hat. It's pretty spacious in here. This is so cute. Oh gosh, I look a mess. It's because I got a bun on, so I look crazy. It's very thick material, very warm and soft. Honestly, this is really nice. I kind of wish it wasn't white. Like, I like the way like the white and the pink like combination, but I kind of wish it wasn't white at the same time because I feel like it would get dirty so quickly. But I think this is so cute, and I'm gonna keep this far away from my makeup. So I'm just gonna toss this over there in case, because I see makeup in here and I don't want it to like get dirty. So the next thing we have is some straws. So we have the straws, the 4-piece reusable drinking straw set and cleaning brush. This is a part of the Bloodlust collection, like the whole purple. These are the purple straws. I remember I got a straw last time. It was the candy cane print one. This is exciting. I can add this to my collection. Oh, these are nice. Oh, you have the straight one and then the curve, different curve levels. Really nice. Put this aside for now. Next thing we have. This is what I think it is. Is this what I think it is? Hold on. Next thing we have is the gloss, and this is in this color Candy Drip. I don't have this one at all. I don't have this one, but it looks really pretty. It's pink. It's really, ooh, this is a nice nude. It's not gonna pick up on camera, and I can tell you that right now, but it's a very pretty pinky nude color. My hair is a mess from the hat now. Look at this. Ooh. The camera is definitely not picking up on it. I don't know if you can see the glimmer. I'm just gonna throw that in the drawer to wipe that off before it gets everywhere. Hold on. I'm gonna, is this what I don't tell me I went to war for me to receive this in a mystery box. No, you're kidding me. This ain't it. This isn't it. This can't be it. I can't even open it. This is it. It's it. I have it. I already have it. I don't need two. So I think I'm gonna give this away as well. Let me just put this aside for now. Give this away as well. I own all of this. Like, I love having extras, but I know for a fact I don't need these extras. I don't. So the next thing we have is the Velour Liquid Lipstick in Celebrity Skin. I can tell you right now, I don't have this at all. Ooh, actually, I do have this, but not like this size. I have the mini one, like the mini one that came in the nude vault. I bought the nude vault, so I have it, but I don't have like this size. I have like the little mini version of it. So I'll put that away later. That was everything in the $60 box, which I think is a great value because this palette alone is like $50 something, like 58 I think. Then you have the liquid lipstick, which is like 18 I think. So that's like $60-70 bucks right there. The straws, I don't think the hat, I don't know the value of the hat honestly. And then the gloss, that's way more than what it should be. So let's go to, I'm making a mess. I'm trying to figure out my life over here. Let me just stand up over here because that's trash in the corner. I'm just trying to figure out the life. Let's get into the next one. Let me put this away. So the last box is the 120. Yes. Let's open it. This one should have the article and clothing. I don't think it's like a sweater because this box is a bit small, so maybe it's like a t-shirt. Did I get it? Okay. Ooh, yeah. I think it's definitely a t-shirt. Is it? Ooh, hold on. It's white. Oh, it matches the hat. It has like the pink with the white shirt with the pink logo. Well, the pinkness added to, you know what I'm saying. It's, oh, this is cute. There's a little snowflake and it's a long sleeve. I actually like this, and this is the sleeve. This is really cute actually. Really stinking cute. Let me fold this back up and toss this far away because it is white, and we just discussed how I feel about white around makeup. So let's toss that to the side. Toss this in the corner. I own this. I literally, oh, they're coming out. I literally own this. So, I just want to discuss this really quickly. How I've owned a lot of the stuff that I've received. This I'm gonna have to give away as well. I don't really need it. Yeah, let's go on. Then we have the gloss in the shade Tabletop, which I believe I own. Let me double check. Yeah, I own it. So I'm gonna give that away, and I'll just swatch Tabletop for you guys on my hand. So this is Tabletop. It's really pretty. It's like it looks very dark in the tube, I'm gonna tell you that, but it's really pretty on the hand and on. It's very like light and natural when it's on. It just does not look like that in the tube. That's Tabletop. I'm gonna give that one away as well. Next thing we have is the Velour lip liner. I know for a fact I don't have this in the shade I'm Nude. I don't really own a lot of lip liners, let alone Jeffree Star lip liners, so I know for a fact that I do not own this one. Let's open it. Come on out. Okay, here we go. Honestly, this packaging is really cute. Is it retractable? No, it's a sharpener. Don't really like sharpeners. Not a huge fan of sharpeners, but it's nice. It's a cute nude, natural, everyday, or any kind of whatever you're trying to do lip liner. So pretty excited towards that. Then we have the the Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Unicorn Blood, which I don't think I have. Yeah, I definitely don't have this. This looks pretty dark. Ooh. Oh wow, this is dark, like a dark brown, red, burgundy shade. Really pretty though. Very fall shade. I like this for fall. I wouldn't use this much now, but for fall definitely. Then we have the Velvet Trap lipstick Well, this is a really cute packaging. Velvet Trap lipstick, which I don't own. I don't own any of the... Ooh, this packaging is so cute. What shade is this? In Hot Commodity. Look how pretty this is. Okay, let's talk about the lipstick itself. It has stars all over it. It's so freaking cute. So let's just... Ooh, it's so creamy. Look at... I tried to roll it back down and I literally just jammed my finger into it instead of like, because I was trying to grab it to roll it and I literally clenched onto the actual thing. I was like, oh goodness. But this thing is so nice. It's so pretty. I love the color. Oh my gosh. That was hilarious. Oh gosh, this is not stained. Oh, it looks like it's staining my fingers. Oh, let me take it off because it's staining. It's staining. It's stained. It's stained. I'm marked. The last item in here I own, which is the Orgy palette. I own this palette as well. So what I'm hearing is stop buying so much makeup because you're gonna get them in the mystery box. That's what I heard, because a lot of this I already own. So of all the products that I've received inside of the mystery boxes today, of all 3 mystery boxes, I already own 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Put that back up. And these I'm gonna give away. I don't have a need for 2 of these items. Technically I owned this because it was in the pink chest thing. And then I got the pink chest thing again. So I don't really need that many lipsticks in that shade. I don't really use, like I don't use them as much to need another round of it, you know? I do feel like what's in the boxes is very much worth what you're spending. I just feel like I wasn't like, oh my god, really excited, really happy about these items because I own majority of them. I love the ones that I did get that I didn't own. Like the lip liner is awesome. This lipstick, this Velvet Trap, this is so cute. Like I didn't buy one because I was like, oh whatever, I didn't really need it. After seeing this and watching this, I might get more. Like Unicorn Blood I don't own, and it's really pretty actually. I don't know why I never bought it. I guess I don't know, but like stuff like that. Like I didn't own the straws, now I own, and I use like reusable straws. So I'm pretty excited for the stuff that I don't own already that I got now, but I own a lot of this, which is kind of like okay, you know. So that being said, let me know what you thought of this boxes. If you got your own box, if you wanted to get one of the boxes and you didn't get your hands on the one you wanted, or you wanted to get your hands on one that might be in stock and you were just looking at this video to see how it is, let me know what you think. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, just leave a little comment down below and let me know what you guys would like to see me do next. If you want me to open in different boxes, I think the season of boxes is coming up. Hopefully it's around that time. I haven't really seen a lot of mystery boxes around lately. I'm going to go back on and see if I find some. Hopefully I do. But let me know if you find anything and you want me to open. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button down below so that you'll be notified every time that I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Let me see you better group when the beat drops.